The Tesla 369 code offers a profound invitation, not just to dabble in manifestation, but to embark on a transformative odyssey into the very heart of the universe. It beckons you to become an explorer of the unseen realms, a spelunker venturing deep into the caverns of your own potential. Here, amidst the glistening crystals of possibility and the echoing whispers of intuition, lies an infinite wellspring of abundance waiting to be tapped. By immersing yourself in the sacred principles of 3, 6, and 9, you unlock a forgotten language, a code spoken by the cosmos itself. It's a language that transcends the limitations of words, resonating on a deeper level, a level where thoughts take shape and dreams solidify into reality. This journey is not a mere accumulation of material possessions, though abundance may flow as a natural consequence. It's a voyage of self-discovery, a peeling back of the layers to reveal the magnificent being you were always meant to be. As you delve deeper into the code, a profound awakening ignites within your spirit. You begin to recognize the boundless potential that lies dormant within you, a wellspring of creative energy waiting to be unleashed. This is the power to sculpt your reality, to paint your life's canvas with the vibrant hues of your desires. It's the realization that you are not a passive observer in the grand play of existence, but a co-creator, wielding the brush of intention and the chisel of focused action. The Tesla 369 code becomes a map on this extraordinary quest, guiding you towards the hidden pathways and secret chambers of your own potential. It's a reminder that abundance, happiness, and fulfillment are not distant wishes, but your birthright, the inherent gifts waiting to be claimed as you embrace the transformative power of manifestation. As you embark on this extraordinary quest, understand that true manifestation unfolds from within. It's about becoming a master alchemist, harmonizing your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the deepest desires of your heart. This alignment is the crucible, where your dreams take shape and crystallize into reality. Here are some easy-to-use techniques to help you harness this power. Mindful visualization. Don't merely think about your desires, see them, feel them, live them in your mind's eye. Create vivid, multi-sensory visualizations. Imagine your dream life in full technicolor detail, with such clarity that it becomes more real than your current reality. Engage all your senses. Visualize the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures of your manifested goal. Embodied affirmations. Affirmations that resonate on a deep emotional level are potent tools. Craft affirmations that stir your soul, igniting a vibrant feeling of already having your desires. Speak these affirmations aloud with conviction, as if declaring a universal truth. Feel the unwavering belief course through your veins. Heart-centered meditation. Tap into the wellspring of intention that lies within your heart. Spend time in quiet contemplation, allowing your deepest desires to rise to the surface. Meditate on the feelings associated with having already manifested these desires. Embody the joy, the gratitude, and the sense of boundless possibility. Unwavering belief system. Cultivate an unshakable belief in the universe's benevolent support and your inherent ability to co-create your destiny. Challenge limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering affirmations such as, "I am a powerful manifester," or "The universe conspires to bring me my desires." The Tesla 369. Code integration is a technique based on the numerology and principles associated with the numbers 3, 6, and 9. It's believed to amplify your intentions and align them with the universe's energy by incorporating repetition at specific times. Here's a breakdown of how it works. The significance of the numbers. 3, 3 times, represents manifestation, creativity, and the trinity of mind, body, and spirit. Repeating your affirmations or visualizations 3 times in the morning signifies planting the seeds of your desires with intentionality. 6, 6 times, embodies harmony, balance, and nurturing. Repeating your desires 6 times in the afternoon signifies nourishing and nurturing those seeds throughout the day, keeping them vibrant in your awareness. 9, 9 times, represents completion, fulfillment, and the universality of consciousness. Repeating your affirmations 9 times at night signifies reaching a state of completion with your intentions, trusting they are aligning with the universe's flow for manifestation. The power of repetition. The core principle behind the Tesla 369 code is repetition. By consistently repeating your affirmations or visualizations throughout the day, you ingrain them in your subconscious. Repetition strengthens the neural pathways in your brain associated with your desires. This subconscious reinforcement keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind, increasing the likelihood of them manifesting. Amplify the vibrational frequency. According to the law of attraction, everything vibrates at a specific frequency. By repeating your desires with intention, you're believed to be amplifying the vibrational frequency of your goals. This aligns them with the abundant energy of the universe, making them more likely to attract similar frequencies and manifest in reality. How to integrate the Tesla 369 code. Craft affirmations or visualizations. Start by formulating clear, concise affirmations that capture your desires. Alternatively, create vivid visualizations that bring your goals to life in your mind's eye. Morning ritual 3 times. As you begin your day, write down or repeat verbally your affirmations or visualizations 3 times. Infuse them with conviction and a sense of already having your desires. Midday reinforcement 6 times. During the afternoon, dedicate time to repeating your affirmations or visualizations 6 times. This reinforces your intentions and keeps them at the forefront of your mind. Evening integration 9 times. Before bed, write down or repeat your affirmations/visualizations 9 times. As you drift off to sleep, allow yourself to feel a sense of completion and trust that your desires are aligning with the universe. Embrace both the wisdom of Nikola Tesla and the timeless principles of the law of attraction. Let them be your guiding stars, illuminating your path toward manifestation mastery. As you maintain this focused energy with unwavering faith, trust in the perfect orchestration of the universe. It's conspiring every step of the way to help you make your dreams a reality. Nurture a deep sense of gratitude for all that is, has been, and is yet to come. Gratitude amplifies abundance, creating a powerful attractor field for blessings to flow effortlessly into your life. Subscribe to this channel for more powerful manifesting tools.